We've been working with contacts for our whole lives. In the world of Customer Relationship Manager, which is what this tool is here, keeping track of your contacts is essential to the success in your business, and it's the major reason why this tool was developed. Right now I'm looking at all of my contacts. I can add a contact simply by clicking the Add Contact button here, and I can choose from my default list of contact types, or I can click More Choices and add as many custom choices as I want. You'll see if you don't put a name, it's going to call the person unknown, unknown. Now directly from this menu, I can use my Actions tab to do things like say that I left a message for this person, or that I sent them an email, or that I spoke to them. Sometimes we don't even want to go into the file if you're in a hurry. You won't need to. You can see here, Joe Schmo, I can just click Actions, left message on voicemail, and then if I go into Joe's file, you'll see that there's the voicemail that I left for him. That's the same thing these buttons do here, by the way, as well. There's a to-do list where you're assigning tasks just for this particular client. You have a marketing tab for automated drip marketing campaigns, which you'll learn about in another video. Details, where you can store things like their address, their date of birth, how they heard about you, what type of client or prospect they are again. Take notes, and as I had discussed in another video here, other contacts who work at the same company where this person works. Now you see here you can hit Enter New, and you can actually add a new company if you need to on the fly. So, and then when I hit enter, that then stores that company for this client. Now you do still have to hit save there in order to store it. Opportunities. This is if you think you might be able to make some money off of this person, you would store the name of that opportunity, how much you think you would make, what the likelihood is that you would actually earn their business, and then any notes, and hit save here. This is the accounting tab where you can keep track of money they owe you, money they've paid. A document manager for uploading documents specifically related to this contact. This questions tab is if you have questions for this person, you can type the question, hit save. Now this link down here, you can send this link to the client, and when they click that link, you can see it shows them the question, and it shows that the question's been asked. They can then click on that question, answer it, add their response. It will then show you that there are responses pending. So I will need to refresh the page here to show you. And then you can see now here shows responses pending. So when I click on the question, it's then going to show me what their response was. See down here? Here's the question. Here's their response. I can then mark the question as closed here or up here. We have a key metrics area where you can store data. If this is a client where you're working in their business, you can actually use this to store financial data about their company, where you can put in actual data from their profit and loss statement or their balance sheet. And then this will graph for you how their key metrics in their business are operating. I do bookkeeping work, and so I use this often for my bookkeeping clients. And then there's a condition manager, which currently is in beta, so I don't think it's going to be active for you. But when it is active, this is a place where you can store lists of items that you're waiting for from the client, things that they need to send to you, things that they have sent that you need to look over. That's what this conditions tab is for.